Welcome. In this video I will show you how to open the menu with the entire system information about your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. To do this, we're gonna need to use a shortcut of FN button and SK button. Press both of them together and this will open this menu on your screen where you'll be able to check your device's serial number. But if you click see more details, you'll be able to check all the rest of the specifications of your laptop. But if it's not enough for you, you can go to advanced menu and here you'll be able to check all the system summary, all the hardware resources with all the hardware elements of your device, and you can check their status in here. You can also check the same menu for components of your device and software environment too. For example, system drivers can be checked in software environment system drivers menu. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.